Vidu's Q1 model launched back in April, and since then, it's been turning heads. And guess what? I took my time to explore it thoroughly, so today I'm bringing you a full review and tutorial. No delays, no fluff, just everything you need to know right now. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI creative tools like this. The Q1 model is a massive leap from earlier versions. The video quality is cleaner, the motion is smoother, and the realism, it's on another level. These are some of the most lifelike AI-generated videos I've ever seen. Vidu Q1 comes with ultra-realistic motion, improved character consistency, better lighting control, and smarter prompt handling. It's built for creators who want to make truly cinematic content using nothing but text and images. Let's start with the basics. To create a video from text, go to the Text to Video tab, choose Vidu Q1, your prompt. But here's the trick. Structure matters. Start with your subject. Describe what's happening, add details about the environment, and wrap it up with the artistic style you want. Cinematic, anime, photorealistic, or dreamy. For example, try this. A firefighter steps out of a smoke-filled alley as flames flicker behind him, camera slowly following, cinematic lighting, moody dusk tone. The result? Absolutely stunning. Now let's test how Vidu Q1 handles real cinematography techniques. First up, pedestal shots. That's when the camera moves vertically without tilting. Try a prompt like, an astronaut stands on a launch pad as the camera rises slowly to reveal the rocket behind him at sunset. Atmospheric lighting. Next, tilt shots. A tilt keeps the camera in place but angles it up or down. Great for showing height or revealing objects below. Use something like camera tilts upward to reveal a glowing ancient tree surrounded by glowing fireflies at night. Want something more dynamic? Arc shots are perfect. That's when the camera circles around the subject to create motion and focus. Try camera arcs around a breakdancer performing on a rooftop at golden hour, urban skyline in the background. For intense realism, try handheld, where the camera shakes naturally, like it's being carried, to create urgency or raw emotion. Use handheld camera rushes through a war-torn alley as debris falls and people scream in the distance. For zoom effects, that's when the lens closes in on the subject without moving the camera itself. Ideal for emphasizing emotion or detail. Try zoom into a young girl's eye reflecting fireworks, emotional moment, soft cinematic depth. And when it comes to big cinematic scope, drone or crane shots are perfect. These shots move high above the scene to capture wide, dramatic views. Try drone shots sweeping across icy cliffs as eagles soar overhead, cold sunrise atmosphere. You can also generate a video from an image. Just head over to the Image to Video tab, upload your photo, and choose your settings. You can upload one image as the starting frame or two to define both the beginning and the end. He stands tall in front of a city building, wine blowing. Cut to another man at a glowing PC, type just being fast. Describe it. Perfect for cinematic intros, mood reels, or emotional transitions. Now let's explore one of the most powerful storytelling tools inside Vidu AI, reference to video. This feature is a game changer for anyone working on short films, cinematic sequences, ad campaigns, or AI-driven storytelling. Why? Because it helps you maintain consistent characters across multiple scenes, something that's critical for serious storytelling and quality. Now let's walk through the reference to video process using my actual setup. First, I uploaded 3 reference images, a female detective, a streetlight, and a rainy street. For the female detective, I assigned the reference name Eunice. That's both the tag and the reference used by Vidu. Once uploaded, Vidu automatically generated a character description based on the image. Next, I added the streetlight reference and then the raining reference, all treated as individual elements for the scene. With these 3 references in place, I entered the prompt. She walks through a rainy street, stops to inspect a clue under a flickering street lamp. Vidu used the references and prompt to understand the full scene, who she is, where she is, and what she's doing. Once I hit generate, it produced a cinematic video. Eunice appeared in her correct outfit, the rain stayed consistent, and the lighting matched the street lamp exactly. This is more than just text to video, it's storytelling, where characters, clothing, and environments stay consistent across scenes. And that's not all. Vidu AI also introduced a powerful new sound effects feature. By heading to the sound effect tab, you'll see a timeline interface where you can drag and drop multiple multiple sound elements into your video with precision. You can control the duration of each sound, choose the exact timestamp you want it to play, and even mix several effects together seamlessly. For example, let's say you want to create a suspenseful moment. You can set wind whooshing to play from 1 to 3 seconds, add a creaking door between 4 and 5 seconds, and layer a sudden thunderclap that starts at 4 and continues through 7 seconds. After arranging your sound timeline, simply click on Create, and Vidu will automatically sync and blend your audio into the video. These sounds aren't just background noise, they bring your scene to life, from subtle ambience to dramatic hits. So whether you're a filmmaker, a content creator, or just curious about the future of storytelling, Vidu Q1 is your next creative powerhouse. It gives you sharper visuals, cinematic camera moves, versatile prompt controls, and built-in sound design. You can even mix and match tools from Q1 and Vidu 2.0 to unlock advanced workflows. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered video content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.